How you doing, man?
That was Michael Jackson, The Way You Make Me Feel. Next song is Luther Vandross and Dancing My Father. Love this tune as well. But as you're all in the chat, and I know a lot of you haven't heard this yet, it was only done yesterday. Let's put on the Storm FM Chill Tuesday jingle, which was made. Come on, guys, see if you like this.
Keep the frequency clear.
You're listening to Storm FM's Chill Tuesdays with your host, DJ Mikey Mike. Grab your loved one, cuddle up on the sofa, put your feet up, and get lost in the music.
Tell me where y'all from, baby.
Storm FM live every day on Spreaker.com.
Not bad, is it, really? I quite like that. Here is Dancing My Father.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
That was Luther Vandross and Dancing with My Father, and just because Alana missed it, here is the jingle again before I go into the next song.
Keep the frequency clear.
You're listening to Storm FM's Chill Tuesdays with your host, DJ Mikey Mike. Grab your loved one, cuddle up on the sofa, put your feet up, and get lost in the music.
Tell me where y'all from, baby.
Storm FM live every day on Spreaker.com.
Hopefully she likes that, and here is a track that I found a day or two ago, and I thought I've got to play it. I remember this tune as well. It is absolutely brilliant. It is Ray J and One Wish. What a tune as well.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, 'cause you couldn't be alone. So your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt back when we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing love. I'll take your name and lead up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end, it would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you, trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish, we'd run away, make love all day, have us a baby. If I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life, and you be my wife, make it like this time. If I had one wish, 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 one wish. And tell me, is it the only way I can get you right back in? If so, then searching I'll go. Then I can have you for sure. Then you'll be loving me, holding me, kissing me. So girl, don't tell me what I'm feeling is make believe. I swear if I lose a second chance with you, I wouldn't know what to do. I'll probably check myself into some kind of clinic. I couldn't be alone because without you I'm sick. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing love. I'll take yours and believe it all the way up. I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end, it could just begin. Starting here right now. You would be my boo. Promise to love you. Promise love. I trust you. I trust you. One wish, we would run
this one goes out to the lovers in the house, Danny and Hannah. Featuring Jagged Edge, and this is a bit of My Baby.
You're mine. You're mine. You're my baby, 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 baby.
I think everyone knows who I'm dedicating this one to before I've even said a word. So, baby, this is yours.
It was the summer 2001, all before the drama begun. When we first met, I seen you sitting out on your steps. You was broke down crying a mess, so I interfered. I asked, what's the reason for tears? I was wishing you could tell me your fears, but I'll start with your name. You told me how you